I got started as an independent nest consultant by doing this one thing. Are you feeling stuck in your nest leadership role and dreaming of more freedom, fulfillment, and autonomy? In this video, I'm sharing the one key step that helped me transition from burnout in a traditional healthcare setting to becoming a thriving independent nest consultant. I'll share the emotional tipping point that made me pivot, the one thing I did that changed everything, why nest consulting is a powerful option for seasoned nest leaders, and how you can take your first step too. If you haven't done so, remember to subscribe. I have used the same strategies I'm sharing with you today to go from burnt out, frustrated nest manager to autonomy, freedom, and making an impact through independent nest consulting. I remember the moment when I realized I couldn't go on like this. And maybe for you, you are an experienced nest leader who has given years of your career to making a difference within the nesting industry. But of late, in the past few years, you've realized that you're pouring from an empty cup. You're always tired, constantly stressed, running on empty, and barely have time for your own health, well-being, and loved ones. As for me, when I reached that point, I had no idea how to make a change without risking my career or my identity. Here's what changed everything. I gave myself permission to explore something different. I stopped waiting for the perfect time. I stopped second guessing myself and started mapping out a strategy. I asked myself, what am I already good at? And these are some of the things I came up with. I was so good at leadership and bringing the team together and inspiring them towards achieving a common goal. Then problem solving and mentoring newer and lesser experienced nesters. These are things that I was already doing in my job as a nest manager. I didn't need to reinvent myself. I simply needed to redirect these talents and strength into a new path, nest consulting. That one decision led me to develop a simple step-by-step plan, and it became the foundation for my nest consulting business. I started small, one client, one service, one win at a time. If you, on the other hand, are where I was at that time, burnt out, frustrated, constantly stressed, wanting to make an impact, but starting to dread the job you used to love, start with what you are already good at. Your first step right now is to get clear on what you are already good at. Think about what problems you solve easily, what people come to you for help with, what you love doing when you're not drowning in admin work. That right there is where your consulting niche lies. Independent nest consulting is such a powerful tool for you as an experienced nest leader, and here's the reason why. First of all, you don't need to reinvent the wheel by learning a new skill. You already have the nesting expertise that is in high demand. All you need to do now is to offer this expertise directly to healthcare providers. In fact, it's the quickest way to grow a business using your nesting expertise. It saves you years from having to learn new digital social media skills. It gives you autonomy because you choose who you want to work with and who you do not want to work with. You have flexibility in your schedule because as you work with healthcare providers, there is 100% flexibility because you make your own work schedule. As you develop relationships with these healthcare providers, you can do what I did. I started off working on site as I was developing relationships with companies and healthcare providers. But after a few months, once they trusted and liked me, I shifted my working model to fully being remote. This will free up time for you to spend time with your loved ones and do those things which you miss doing and reconnect with who you are as an individual. So what's the first step in getting started? The first step is making a decision that you're going to become an independent nest consultant. It takes a mindset shift to go from working in a traditional company to now running your own business as an independent nest consultant. You need to decide if this is what you want to do. Like me, it was a whole mindset, a whole decision. I simply chose myself and decided that I wanted to take the reins into my own hands and build a career that I love love, one that I would look back upon with pride. What about you? Maybe you've been hesitating for 3, 4, 5 years now and you haven't made the decision. What are you waiting for? Make that decision to transform your nursing career and make a bigger impact through nurse consulting. If you want a blueprint and guidance as you navigate this journey and transition into independent nurse consultant, book a call with me. Link to my calendar is in the comments and description below. If you haven't done so already, remember to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the like button.